Hey guys, this is Priyo from Shine Electronics, and you are watching the OLED display interfacing with Arduino UNO. So let's get started without any delay.
Zombie apocalypse.
So for the project we should need a 0.96 inch OLED display, a Arduino UNO, some jumper wires. So at first connect the jumpers to the OLED display as I am connecting. Now connect the jumpers to the respective pins on the Arduino. The circuit diagram is given in the description. Make sure that your pins match while you are connecting to the Arduino, otherwise the OLED will heat up, which was also my problem which I faced during the experiment. Now take a USB cable and plug into your PC to program the Arduino.
So here is the code. You have to just connect the SCK, MOSI, CS and AO pin to the 13, 11, 9 and 8 there will be. Okay, this is here 13, 11, 9 and 8. Okay, on 10 we have nothing connected since CS pin is not there, and the code is here. You have to just compile the sketch, and after compiling is done, you have to upload the code to your Arduino UNO. Make sure that these things are selected here. Arduino UNO COM3, the COM port is check marked, and programmed Arduino ISP. These things are selected here. So, and before the program uploading, you need to be sure that the U8G LIB library is installed on your PC. So after uploading, it will look like this. Okay, and the another code is, I will upload all the codes in the description. I will go to this code, and here there is the Arduino.h header file and U8G2 library header file. These libraries have to be installed, and also the WAD.h need to be installed on your PC. So we need to compile the sketch. You have to just upload the code to your UNO.